How to use Snapchat Places on Snapchat. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, what you're going to do is you're gonna go on Snapchat app on your mobile, and it's gonna ask for something if you are not already given the permissions. Now over here, this is the ratio, or this is the interface of the Snapchat. So in order to go to Snapchat Places, you have to click on Snapchat over here, and it will ask you for if you want to enable location or not. Then you have to click on Places option, and then you have to go on Let's Go, and it will tell you all the places that are nearby you, and this way you can find different places to go on, like restaurants or many other places where people take a lot of snaps or send a lot of snaps. This is how you can use Snapchat's Places. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.